Good evening, YouTubers. This is your zip code Farik. Matt Shiny here in the 92805 zip code at the ZCF Studios in Southern California on this Thursday, June 25th in the evening. And the zip code for this video is still in the state of Pennsylvania, 16750, Turtlepoint, Pennsylvania. All one phrase, McKean County, north central part of the state, about 12 miles from the border with New York. And it is an area about 19.3 square miles. Must be kept in mind for those of you new to the channel that zip codes are not really polygons, they're points. And it took people like myself and, well, a lot of other people to really talk about them as geographical areas that have a solidity to them. Market people, you know, that use zip codes to sell things and whatnot. But the area is about 19-20 square miles, give or take. McKean County has about 43,000 people in it. Turtle Point has 443 or so, or thereabouts, as of 2026. Median age is 52.2 years. That means half the population is older, half the population is younger. 65.4% white, and what's kind of interesting for this area is 25.2% of the population are two or more races. 9.5% black. Those are your top three. It is not really near much of anything except maybe Buffalo is a little, probably the nearest big city. It's a number of miles away. It's mostly there for access to the wilds of Pennsylvania for hunting, fishing, and all sorts of other things involved with outdoor recreation. Settled in the late 1700s. Its mainstay has been farming, gravel, oil. They had a gravel pit here for a long time. The place is called Turtle Point because guess what? On a bend of the river, the Allegheny River that comes through here, a lot of turtles. So, yeah, the people that named this place were quite clever. Sawmill site was here as well. As I said, part of the lumbering industry. Because Pennsylvania is nothing if not a squirrel's haven. Remember, we talked about it before. It was once thought that a squirrel could cross Pennsylvania from east to west and not have to ever come down from the trees. So, maybe in this area they can in some spots still. There are other interesting things too. Probably the most famous person that I could find from here. She's not from here. She is here. She's originally from Massachusetts, but her name is Susan Sykes, and she's an actress that goes by the name of Busty Hart. And you can guess why she's called that. She's very well endowed. She has a business here that I don't know if she does anything herself in this club that she has, but she employs other people to let it all hang out, I guess. She's also co-starred in movies like Deported, also with Sacha Baron Cohen in the movie The Dictator, and a bunch of other roles. And she operates this place in pretty much the middle of nowhere. This entertainment business she has. She once had, actually, at one point, there was a lawsuit against her for injuring a guy with, her bosom. And I forget exactly how it went out, but I think she had to pay him damages. Anyway, so there's a gravel pit, and then if you want to call this some kind of pit of some sort, you can go right ahead. Median household income here is actually quite high, $122,689 a year. Median home value is $120,000, which is actually below the median household income. So people here are sitting pretty. Even if you want to get in here now and you don't make as much, you can still grab something for about $120K. Right now, the weather, it's 65 degrees, and it's cloudy. High of 94. Excuse me, not high of 94. 94% humidity. Tomorrow, it's going to be 76 for the high, 56 for the low, and cloudy. Saturday, 76 for the high and 53 for the low, cloudy. Sunday, high of 81, low of 54, sunny. And then it's supposed to be 90 by Tuesday and still cloudy, so probably another storm coming in at some point. Not uncommon around here, I guess, in this zip code. So that's Turtle Point, Pennsylvania in a nutshell. So much. And if I ever feel I need to do more, I usually do 5 or 6 minute videos. So there are times I've gone back and added another video. And for one of these days when I do zip codes, that I really know very well from experience in my area, I'll probably spend just probably 3 or 4 of these segments on one. So, because there's much to talk about. Anyway, hit like, hit subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section below, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.